Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best multimeter that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fluke 117 Electricians True RMS Multimeter. Integrated non-contact voltage detection, true RMS accuracy and a variety of safety enhancements lead the feature list of the Fluke 117. This is a professional-grade multimeter with auto-range capability, min-max readings and the ability to measure everything from current to voltage to capacitance and more at the push of a button. Ghost voltage readings are consigned to the past when you use this precision multimeter from Fluke. Our handy guide to the best laser measures features more great products like this. Moving on at number 4, we have the AstroAI Digital Multimeter, TRMS 6000. This AstroAI is definitely in the running for the best digital multimeter. It's an outstanding overall value that's a must-have for advanced do-it-yourselfers. The true RMS capability and robust safety features mean it's a great choice for pros as well. With auto-ranging, you can measure voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and more quickly and with a high degree of accuracy. The body of TRMS 6000 is fashioned from durable ABS plastic that naturally impacts resistance, and there is a range of built-in safety features including overload protection. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best digital calipers. At number 3, we have the AstroAI Digital Multimeter. AstroAI makes some seriously effective, attractively priced multimeters for homeowners, handymen and professional electricians alike. This is a manual range meter that has a wealth of practical and safety functions and will measure voltage, resistance, ohms, and continuity. It is not, however, capable of measuring AC current. So keep that in mind. Because of its manual range setup, it may be more suited to experienced electricians, but there's nothing here a dedicated DIer shouldn't be able to master. AstroAI Digital Multimeter comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty, a built-in kickstand for hands-free operation, and a very durable ABS plastic body. A really handy tool for your tool bag. At number 2, we have the Fluke 87-volt digital multimeter. Fluke has been producing multimeters since 1948. Today, its latest version, the 87-volt digital multimeter, boasts of everything you have ever wished for in a multimeter. To start with, it offers a strong and durable construction that can withstand any working environment. And although a very lightweight device, it still manages to pack and manage features at a very pocket-friendly price. Such features include its rubber protective case that doubles as a kickstand for hands-free operation, as well as a high-resolution LCD display screen that's larger and brighter than previous versions. And on top of that, everything in the device is well-spaced, from the buttons to the selector dial and jack inputs. Additionally, the measurement accuracy of infinitesimal millivolt changes lets the Fluke 87-volt speaks for itself, as it considered to be the best multimeters when it comes to accuracy. On top of all that, the tool has a backlight that makes night work seamless. In fact, you can adjust the brightness of the light with its 3-level regulator. And although it does not support automatic range selection, it can be manually chosen using the dial. Overall, this is a great multimeter that can serve you for a considerable length of time. It is your go-to option for troubleshooting industrial and household equipment, and it boasts of durable and resilient construction. And finally, at number 1, we have the INNOVA 3320 Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. The 3320 from INNOVA is an auto-ranging meter that eliminates the need to spend time dialing in the correct range when making measurements. It provides you fast, accurate measurements across the AC and DC spectrum and is ideal for residential or automotive use. From checking the batteries for your various electronic devices to diagnosing issues with automotive circuits and much more, the 3320 is a dependable time saver. It's one of the top multimeters we tested for ease of use, and the color-coded battery test system is handyman's joy. You can